Godrej South Estate, Oka, Delhi. Unveiled, yes, of course, everyone जो आज यहाँ मौजूद है और जो new home, you're stepping into the best future possible in South. Said, yes, when you think of South Delhi, the swag, the status, the style. Thank you.
An amazing experience. I can definitely feel the difference, breathe better, and yes, congratulations to all the homeowners once again.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And welcome to your new neighborhood. A place that has the best state-of-art air purification system installed. And by the way, let me tell you something. Godrej is the first real estate brand to have it done in the north, or I think in all of the country. So let's give a huge round of applause to Godrej. And I wish you God bless. Thank you.
Pratibha, you've been part of this neighborhood for quite some time, I believe now. And I'm sure you must have also heard of this property जब ये बन रही थी, I think 2019 में जब launch हुई
Yes,
थी.
you know Godrej.
Yeah, who doesn't know Godrej? Absolutely. And it was so good to know that, Godrej is now branched out here and, into real estate in South Delhi. I'm sure that was a great feeling as well. So some people who are just moving into this neighborhood, any kind of, the best parts about here and things that they should be kind of beware about, or, you feel that, these are the best parts about in South Delhi. Throw some light to them.
Listen, if I had an apartment here, I would leave the complex because everything is just here. You have the clubhouse, you can breathe easy. I mean, mamas, take your babies out now and you don't have to worry. Morning joggers, go out hassle-free, breathe easy, and you will feel a difference. For sure. So I wouldn't leave the complex if you ask me.
Actually, yeah, that is kind of a, मेरे ख्याल से मतलब ये एक प्लस पॉइंट भी है, लेकिन लोग जनरली वीकेंड के लिए बाहर जाते हैं, कहते हैं चलो यार हम लोग छुट्टी मनाने बाहर जाते हैं। यहाँ पे अगर आप गोदरेज साउथ एस्टेट में रह रहे हैं, अगर आप पूछ रहे हैं कि हाँ भैया, तो आपको सिर्फ इतना ही बोलना उनको, नहीं बाबा लिफ्ट से नीचे आए। And I think then you're there at the resort because that's all, as you very rightly said, there's everything. You don't really need to step out.
Because we can breathe easy, and where we are, unfortunately, I don't have an apartment just yet, but if I do, this would be my weekend home. तो कहाँ जा रहे हो? शिमला मनाली नहीं जाना है, गवर्नमेंट अपार्टमेंट इधर जाना है।
और जो यहाँ पर रह रहा है वो तो सिर्फ यही कहेगा बस मैं लिफ्ट से नीचे उतर रहा हूँ। तो यहाँ पर यार, जैसा मैंने पहले भी कहा, यहाँ पर सांस लेने के लिए आपको मास्क की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, सिर्फ लंग्स की जरूरत है, which is very very good. That is an advantage. A wonderful resort out here, and yes, you can definitely say that as far as luxury is concerned, lifestyle is concerned, they have everything that is possible out here at Godrej South Estate. And to all the people, we call them, we don't say that they are buyers. I think they were the first believers, in 2019 जब ये project यहाँ पर शुरू हुआ था. And it's a wonderful feeling for them to actually see it from the brochure.
I can see people, I can see them happy, I can see them smiling. I mean, it's a memorable moment.
I'm sure it's a memorable moment for them, and you made it more memorable by your presence out here. And now it's also time to call, ladies and gentlemen, अब स्टेज पे उनको बुलाना चाहेंगे जो वो लीडर है जिनके लिए नॉर्थ इंडिया सिर्फ डायरेक्शन नहीं बल्कि एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. With over 2 decades of experience in real estate or business leadership, she is currently the zonal CEO North at Godrej Properties Limited. अगर हम बहुत ही सिंपल शब्दों में मैं कहना चाहूँगा, जब गोदरेज नॉर्थ इंडिया में ग्रो करता था, उसके ब्लूप्रिंट के पीछे बस इन्हीं का हाथ है. कॉर्पोरेट फाइनेंस और स्ट्रैटेजी का स्ट्रॉन्ग बैकग्राउंड, मतलब नंबर्स भी क्लियर, विजन भी बहुत क्रिस्टल क्लियर है. ग्रोथ हो, स्केल हो, एग्जीक्यूशन एक्सीलेंस, नॉर्थ इंडिया का सबसे और बाकी प्रोजेक्ट हो, उनके लीडरशिप में डिलीवर हो रहे हैं. बेसिकली प्लान बनाती भी है और ग्राउंड पे उसे एग्जीक्यूट भी करती हैं. सो वेल, everyone out here, उनका belief is not only in wellness-led living. उनके लिए होम सिर्फ कंक्रीट और ग्लास नहीं है, होम होने चाहिए हेल्दी, ब्रीदेबल एंड फुलफिलिंग. डिजाइन फॉरवर्ड थिंकिंग के साथ वो ये कॉन्वर्सेशन लीड करती है कि मॉडर्न होम्स का काम सिर्फ इम्प्रेस करना नहीं बल्कि लाइफ को बेटर बनाना भी है. राइट? So ladies and gentlemen, नॉर्थ इंडिया में Godrej Properties की प्रेजेंस को और स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाया उन्होंने ट्रस्ट, क्वालिटी और थॉटफुल लिविंग के साथ. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for a leader जो विजन के साथ warmth भी लाती है. Put your hands together for Miss Geetika Treha. good. More than me, I'm sure each and everyone who seated out there would be very, very thankful for whatever that you guys are doing at Godrej.
Thank you, Sam, for that introduction. Thank you, Ridhima, for being
yeah,
here. And I don't think it's about me, my introduction, but purely about two things. One is that about each and every home buyer here. Big thank you to each one of you for being here. This is a special day and this is all about each one of you. And the second that I would like to talk about is definitely Godrej Properties, who has given us an opportunity to create something like this, which has never been seen before in terms of the technology that has been introduced. It really takes a lot to be the leader, to take that first mover advantage to ensure that we are the ones who are doing it. So I think really thank you for the kind words that you said, but really it's all about each of the home buyers here and the great work that we have been able to do with Godrej Properties to get this beautiful project executed and today delivering it to the real owners, to the homeowners in Delhi. So this is the first one that we are delivering in Delhi. It gives me immense pleasure and I feel very proud that we are having this moment with all the home buyers, of course with Ridhima, Hussain and the whole team here to acknowledge the fact that we stand by the quality that we say that we will deliver to our homeowners. With the experience that you all signed up for, and today we all are here to ensure that you enjoy it, feel it. The CTFA and the MFFA technology that we talk about is not just what we say as words, but something that we are demonstrating here. You all have already experienced it when we had few rounds with you to see that what this technology is about. A couple of you have also experienced it, but I will really encourage each one of you to see each of the outdoor units that has been already implemented here. The way it is purifying the air, what I am holding here is a reading not too long ago, but yesterday evening, where we see that in Delhi, while the AQI was 341, here in outdoor, not indoor, it was 68.
Wow. Absolutely right. That's really good.
So I think the idea was that each one of you should breathe this fresh air. Today we are delivering it. You will have your keys or you've had your keys. We are here to stand by and make this moment fully special. And this entire piece, I repeat, this entire piece is only and only for our home buyers who've entrusted, who've shown their confidence in this project. And as we enter the season of Shubharambh, we are delivering across Delhi NCR. But to be standing here in Delhi and delivering the project is really a moment of immense pride. So congratulations to each and every one of you. This is really the Shubharambh and very happy to be a part of it.
Brilliant. Kritika, just one thing I'm sure for you as well, you know, जब ये शुरू हुआ था and today to see traction that you would want to share with everyone out here, something that comes to your head. Just
I think some very beautiful introducing this technology. I remember what all hard work and a lot of research had gone into it. So I remember those times when we were actually presenting it internally also.
Right.
There were a lot of questions, because when you're coming out with something like this and claiming that this air purification will happen, and we didn't do it today. This technology was envisaged like 5 years back.
Right.
And that is the time when we were pioneering it, foreseeing it, that how it will make the life of the people who will be staying here better. So one thing that definitely comes into my mind is all that time when we were researching about it, there are teams who really thought through how it will be seamless. There's a proper study to understand how many units, how many people will be staying here, what is the area, the open area, and then what is the distance at which these outdoor air purifiers will be placed. So it's not that they are randomly placed. There is a whole
there's
strategy.
an entire science technology